Hydrophysio combines the power of water with innovative design, proudly designed and manufactured in the UK to help you move better, recover faster and stay active for longer. Thanks to its compact design, the active treadmill is the ideal space-saving wellness solution. This innovative treadmill allows users of all ages and fitness levels to experience rejuvenating low-impact workouts. Water-based exercise offers numerous benefits that enhance your overall well-being. The buoyancy of water supports your body and reduces the impact on joints. This makes it an ideal environment for low-impact exercise, allowing you to move with ease and comfort. The natural resistance of water provides a gentle yet effective way to strengthen muscles and build endurance. As you move through the water, every step and stride works to improve your muscle tone and cardiovascular health. Hydrostatic pressure from the water helps to improve circulation and reduce swelling, which is particularly beneficial for those recovering from injuries or surgery. The warm water also helps to alleviate pain and stiffness, promoting relaxation and flexibility. Designed with user experience in mind, the Hydrophysio Active Treadmill is easy to use and highly versatile. Features like adjustable water levels and variable speed allow for fully customised sessions that cater to your specific needs. With every step, stride or recovery session, you'll experience the benefits of water-based movement like never before.